this video, let me teach you on how to fix Contact Poster not working. First, open a Contacts app on your iPhone, tap your name or card at the top, tap Contact Photo and Poster under your name. If it is disabled, then you can try to simply enable the name and photo sharing option. If it asks you to update your name and photo, then simply select Continue button, then update your name, Contact Poster by choosing in your photos, Memoji, or monogram, or you can even choose your camera to capture it right now. Let's just update it using Memoji, then select the Memoji, and tap Next at the top right, tap Done at the top right to finish it. And a preview poster, tap Continue to proceed, continue to proceed. Now enable the button beside the name and photo sharing option. If doing this doesn't solve the issue, then you can try this one. Open the Settings app, scroll down to the bottom, tap Apps, locate the Messages app here, open it, and here toggle off the button beside iMessage and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. And make sure that the addresses in the Send and Receive option is correct and you selected the contacts correctly. If the issue persists, then you can check if the software updating to the latest version will fix bugs and issues causing your contact poster not working on your device.